Check out these gorgeous glittery Frenchies and see how I did them. First thing we're going to do is set up our nail station by cleaning with our Prevention Disinfectant wipes. These wipes are the fastest, safest, and easiest disinfectant wipes on the market. With a 1-minute contact time, you can easily turn over and get ready for your next client. We're going to make sure that we clean everything that we need for today's services, including our sand to make our video. You're going to want to draw your Frenchies halfway through the nail, and then you're going to want to take the color of your choice, draw a line straight down the center of the nail, and polish the other side with a solid color. Cure the color, add top coat to the entire nail. Then you're only going to want to put top coat on the color side of the nail, but do not cure it. This is how you're going to get your sprinkle on glitter and get that sugared effect. Once you have the coverage that you want to cure that finger for the appropriate amount of time. Now all you have to do is dust it off and that glitter is secured. You want to make sure that you clean off any excess glitter, add your cuticle oil, and I love using my Erica's ATA polisher bit to finish off the nails, wipe off any excess cuticle oil, and of course use my Prevention Disinfectant wipes to clean up before I finish the service and take my final photos. Clients love to see a clean, organized desk, and Prevention Disinfectant wipes can definitely help you get there. Learn more about Prevention Disinfectants and take their free certification course at PreventionDisinfectants.com and find me at City Escape Spa.